Hello, my name is Samara Trujillo and my partner is Andrew Quinones. Today we will be cooking eggs. There is a surprising amount of chemistry involved. We will be using this stainless steel frying pan for its durability and ability to heat up quickly. This ability to heat up would be because of its specific heat capacity of 0.5 joules per gram Celsius degrees. This means that it takes little amounts of energy for its temperature to rise. This fire is not just magically appearing. This is a natural gas fueling this fire, and this natural gas is hydrocarbon. This means that on a molecular level, it is just made up of carbon and hydrogen. However, fuel alone is not enough to start a fire. There are three components necessary for a fire and they make up the fire triangle. Fuel, oxygen, and heat are the three things necessary for a fire to start, and they are currently present right now. If you need to put out a fire, simply removing one of these components would be the best. For example, you can smother the fire and stop it from burning by blocking it from the oxygen in the air, or you can isolate the fire from its fuel source. The eggs are currently being cooked due to heat. But how are they being heated? Well, right here, the main methods of heat transfer is conduction, where the eggs are being heated through contact with the pan, and radiation, where the heat is being transferred through electromagnetic radiation. When I first put the eggs on the pan, they were transparent and fluid. The eggs were in a liquid state. There are three states of matter: liquid, solid, and gas. With solids, the molecules in a substance are tightly packed together and are not moving. The molecules in a liquid are separated and can move around fairly easily. With a gas substance, the molecules are far apart and move very quickly. However, once I'm done cooking, the eggs will be in a solid state. This is because all substances can change between the three states of matter. This phase change usually occurs due to changes in temperature. For example, water is liquid, but if it is heated up enough, then it turns into a gas in the form of steam. But if it loses heat and cools down enough, it turns into a solid in the form of ice. But with the eggs, we are doing something different in order to make them look the way they do. The heat being applied to cook the eggs is causing denaturation of proteins. The eggs have proteins in them. These proteins are made up of amino acids. The heat is causing these amino acids to break their bonds with each other and reform differently. This caused the eggs to go through its changes and is why the eggs look the way they do now. Now we have a nice dish of scrambled eggs explained by chemistry.